It's becoming a more and more popular way to vacation, hitting the open road in an RV, and these vehicles have come a long way since your parents' generation. Joining us now is national travel expert Mike Caudill, who's in RV heaven right now in Elkhart, Indiana for the world's biggest RV open house. What do you have there?
Oh, Catherine, you're right. They have come a long way. Think of the Jetsons, right? Some of this modern technology that I'm seeing this week here in Elkhart at the RV Open House is truly spectacular. I've spent 5 days covering the show, and look at all these RVs spanning over at the RV Hall of Fame. Very cool. Speaking of Jetsons and cool technology, check this out right here. On Monday, Thor Industries, one of the largest RV makers in the world, and in a partnership with a company called Harbinger Motors out of Southern California, debuted this, the world's first fully electric hybrid RV. It'll get 500 miles of range, 150 miles on pure electricity, and that's because the actual onboard generator powers and charges those batteries. It's going to go into production next year. Affordability is a big discussion point here in Elkhart this week, and so I scoured the show looking for one of the most affordable units. This is a travel trailer right here by Jayco. It's called the J-Flight SLX, and it can sleep up to 6 with a full kitchen on the inside. You can see the dinette right there. Here's those bunk beds. It's awesome on the inside. Also has a bathroom, and the price is $15,000. If you want to get into something that you can drive, an actual motorized unit, Grand Design showed off the all-new Lineage earlier this week as well. This is a Class C motorhome, and it has theater seating on the inside, a big flat screen, king-size bed, full kitchen for you to really enjoy yourself. But these really cool secret hatches, this is behind the television, so you can securely hide stuff away in the event you want to, and a residential refrigerator. You're looking at a price of around $190,000 for that drivable unit, and that's actually affordable for the Class C market. Destination-style RVs are big this year as well. I have three for you. This one right here is the Forest River Cottage. That exterior design is painted fiberglass, giving it a really cool look. Alliance showed off their all-new Benchmark, and the engineers at Alliance said, look, we want to create a destination RV where you can actually attach a deck or a patio on the outside. These are more extended stay, or if you have a big piece of property on a lake, you can take this and drop it in there. And then I've got a Crossroads Hampton for you. This one has a big bay window on the outside, also a destination trailer. Again, this is that trend that we're seeing where families want to take extended guests with them, maybe their grandkids or friends. Big kitchen on the inside, sofa lounger, have a big executive master suite right here, and even a washer and dryer on the inside. The coolest part is the price. They start right around $100,000, but I wanted to save the best for last. Catherine, check this out. It's actually a patio party, and it's called the Forest River Salem 32 Veranda. They took the back end of this and they made it a full party area, even with the grill on the outside. So I wanted to give you a good taste for some RVs here, Catherine. What do you think? Do you want a destination trailer, the electric RV, or the party patio?
I gotta say, I'm kind of amazed by what you just showed me with some of the high-end finishes in these things. I mean, the theater seating, it's kind of incredible. So I want to ask you, though, I mean, you've been looking at all of these different RVs. Was there anything that really got your attention or surprised you in terms of bells and whistles that these things are equipped with?
Yeah, I got to tell you, even though it has a high price point, that Grand Design Lineage, you can drive it, cross country, but it's all high quality fit and finish and had so many cool features that as an RVer myself, I haven't seen on other RVs in the past. So if you want to spend the money, it's a great way to check out the country. Everyone wants to go outdoors, but 15 grand, you just can't beat that.
That's amazing. All right, Mike Caudill, thanks so much for the behind the scenes look, and enjoy the RV show there.
Thanks, Kath.